All right, checking out the front end here. You're gonna have some little kind of dimples, if you can see that, on this gloss black stripe side. It is little dimples. As far as rock chips go, I don't see any here. I do see some more dimples on that stripe. The most apparent is right there though. That front looks really good. Wheels look awesome. You do have a very faint scratch right there. It does not catch my nail. Got a dimple here in the paint. Overall, that door looks awesome. You do have some sort of imperfections in the paint there. Very hard to show on camera. Little dimple here. That wheel looks amazing. Those little imperfections here. Looks like a chip there. These stripes are painted on. See some more imperfections there. Got a couple faint scuffs here. Wheels look awesome. Looks good. Got a little bit of misalignment here on the back side of the hood here. Overall though, this thing looks really, really nice. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker and it is very clean. That door panel looks amazing. Kick plate area looks nice. Now we do have some separation here on the leather seam there. Now you can push it back in, but over time it pops back out. Seat belts look amazing. Got a little imperfection here on the edge of the steering wheel, but the rest of that looks really nice. All the gauges look good. Pioneer doubled in and a custom console. I think it's a beauty. Then checking out the back seat. Looks amazing. I don't see any rips, tears, scuffs, or stains. Seat backs look awesome. Headliner looks amazing. Checking out these seats. They look perfect. You got the custom console. You got the digital design speakers down here. That door panel just looks super good. Very, very clean.